Welcome as you join us. We're on the lawns of the Devon House, located on the Millionaire Corner, or so it was called back in those days. We're on the intersection of Waterloo and the Hope Road. Today we'll be checking out this Devon House property, and then we'll have a trip to the Emancipation Park. This place was built by George Steeble, Jamaica's first black millionaire, born in 1820 and died in 1896. George Steeble. His father was a German and his mother was an enslaved Jamaican woman. He was a carpenter by trade and later went into shipping. He was shipwrecked in Venezuela, and there he bought an old abandoned mine. George Steeble earned his riches through gold mining in South America.
Good day.
And later returned home to build this house. It's an 11-acre property, down from 600 acres in its heydays. Devon House is a national historical site, and it's got its name Devon House because this era was known as Devon Pen back in the 1800s. security.
Yeah.
Devon House was named the fourth best place to enjoy ice cream in the world by National Geographic. As we make our way from here, I hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Let's go have lunch and on to our next stop, Emancipation Park. Emancipation Park, a tribute to freedom. This 7 acres oasis located in Kingston concrete jungle is ideal for those who want a bit of recreation and relaxation. Located in New Kingston and opened on July 2002. This place also boasts a 500-meter running track. A tribute to our freedom, Emancipation Park. And here we have some of our heroes along this pathway. Can you identify any of them? This is Marcus Garvey. Up next is Sam Sharp, George Gordon, and the Queen of the Pack, Nanny of the Maroon. We have this Idinka symbol created by the people of the Ashanti tribe, and you can see them in many places throughout the park, mainly on the fence, on the benches, and some of the garbage receptacles. I remember this park before it was like this. when it used to be one giant dust bowl where guys used to just come and kick balls, mainly on the weekend, which was just dust everywhere. Now it has been transformed and it's beautiful. The name says it all for those who value and know their history. And as we make our way out, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Walk good and tell them other one out there.